Welcome to a new part of my RC4WD Buildoff 2019. Like you can see, I switched the R3 single speed transmission from that point more to middle, so I have space for the narrower leaf springs, and then it goes to the transfer case. I built a custom transfer case mount. I know it's not pretty at the moment, but you know, it's not at the end of the build, and I will paint it and make it a little bit more shiny. Due to this transformation of the transfer case, I have plenty of ground clearance. It was only possible with the max speed technology, also called MST. The steel shafts, that are the only shafts I know which have that quite big working angle, and it runs very smooth. I'm still proud of that big working steering angle. I also mounted a 35 turns brushed motor from RC4WD with the stock pinion gear, and I also mounted the new very scale look 80mm dampers from RC4WD, officially licensed old man emu nitro charger sport dampers. Work great. The color is matching to the axles. Very nice. So everything is running. The only missing part is the servo, which is not a problem to mount it. So the servo will come here, and I will make a steering link from this side up, goes it long to this, and you have it on there. What are the next steps? Let me think about it. Okay, I will test how it looks with the body and the flatbed. And this is how the truck is looking at the moment. Massive. Comes great with the nitro charger RC4WD dampers. Great ground clearance. And I've also printed from my 3D printer a front custom grille. Yeah, it will match amazing to this body. Haha, RC4WD Buildoff 2019. Check out my Instagram account, RKP Customs, and my YouTube channel. As you can see here, feel free to subscribe. See you next time.